Welcome back to day 2 of my documentary, Journey to Building a Luxury Empire. And today we need to talk about the biggest illusions we have all been sold. Working for a paycheck. हम सबको पता है कि हम लोगों को दूसरों के लिए काम कैसे करना है. I have been diving deep into money management lately. Halfway through Rich Dad and Poor Dad, freshly starting the psychology of money. My mind is completely blown by the one core rule. Rich don't work for money. Money works for them. Breaking it down simply with high energy. Let's get started. So, most people get stuck in a loop. Work hard, get paid, spend it. Repeat. That's what all people do nowadays. And that's trading time for cash. But true wealth comes from how do I make my salary to how do I make my money works for me 24/7 while I sleep. That's right. In easy language, I mean to say that ऐसी चीज़ों पे इन्वेस्ट करो जब आप सो भी रहे हो तब भी 24/7 आपकी इनकम जनरेट होते रहे, right? And that brings us to the ultimate game changer. Knowing the actual difference between assets and liability. Oh, now you're thinking what is meant by asset and liability. I will tell you. Forget the complicated textbook jargon here, the real definition. An asset is something that's put money in your pocket. And the liability is something which takes money out of your pocket. Think of an expensive jacket you bought on credit, or a car loses value the second you drive it away. If you want to live a life of true security and luxury, you don't just accumulate things, you accumulate assets. Assets मतलब real estate and business. इनमें पैसा लगाओ, इनमें invest करो. This will generate your income statement, not the car you bought from a showroom yesterday. क्योंकि जैसे ही हम कार खरीदते हैं और जैसे ही वो शोरूम के बाहर जाती है उसकी वैल्यू लूज़ होना चालू हो जाती है. इनफैक्ट जब हम कार को खरीद लेते हैं वो तभी उसकी वैल्यू लूज़ कर देती है. सो टुडेज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट लेसन इज दैट प्लीज डोंट वेस्ट योर मनी ऑन सच लग्जरीज. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट डोंट बाय अ पोर्श और अ लुई विटॉन बैग. बाय इट बट फर्स्ट जनरेट योर एसेट कॉलम. Reading these books teaching me that finance isn't just maths. It's psychology and control. I am building fortress from day one. So drop a comment below. Are you buying assets or just collecting liabilities? So like, share and subscribe my channel.